Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? Today we are building a walkway that is, my potting bench is just over here off to the side. And I would like the walkway to go from here where, I'm not sure if the camera gets it, but if not, we'll insert a photo. From here to where my early blue hydrangeas start, where the fence is. And we're going to try and make it out of pallets. But those are hard to come by. So we decided to pick up some coalwood, which is discounted lumber from the big box store. And I prefer to get it at Home Depot. Lowe's, we went to a few Lowe's and they already have it pre-packaged. And I wanted different sizes. And so at Home Depot, it's just all sitting in a big bin. And you can go and pick whatever size you want, whatever length you want. And coalwood is wood that they've pulled from the inventory prior to putting it out on the floor due to it being warped or split, maybe too many knots, even sometimes leftover wood that they've cut for a customer. So I have wood that is between 2 inches and 5 inches that I'll be cutting today. So the walkway will start right here where the landscape light is, the solar light, and we might move that. And it will kind of wrap around between the Meyer lemon tree and the lantana, between the redwood, just where the creeping fig is on the block wall. And I'm going to end it just at the beginning of the nandina, the early blue hydrangeas, where that fence begins. But anyway, it's about 15 feet between the sidewalk or the pathway all the way up to the fence. I clamped this board on here because from where I'm cutting it to the end is about 2 feet. And this is about, I put this, drew a line right here because this is about 3 inches. I want the boards to either be a little bit short, a little bit long. I don't want it to be exact. And so this is where I know I don't want to cut it any shorter than this line. It can overhang just a little bit, but that's why I have this here, because I want each board to be just to vary a little bit in the width of the walkway. So that's why I have this clamped on here. Good morning, everyone. It's a new day. Just as we were finishing laying the walkway, my mom came over and I spent the afternoon visiting with her. So by the time she left, the sun was so bright here, it wasn't a good time to film just because of the sunlight, and it, you know how lighting kind of distorts everything. It's better to film in the shade. Anyway, this is pretty much a one-day job, providing that you have the proper stakes. We were going to pick up stakes at the hardware store, but they were very expensive. I think it was, I don't know, 20 stakes for, I'm gonna get the price wrong, but it was 20 stakes for $20 or 10, 15, anyway, we ordered them on Amazon, plastic ones, and as we were trying to do a little trial, see what it was, how it worked prior to filming, we were bending the stakes because the hard pan is so prevalent in this area. So we sent those back and we ordered 100 metal stakes. That was really our largest cost, and that was $43. And we landed up using 80. The good thing about the metal was once you started using the mallet, it just sunk right in. There were a few times you probably could tell I had to use two hands to, I'm just not as strong as my husband, and it right around this area, I think it got a little bit more difficult, but the metal stakes were definitely the way to go for us. This cost us right around $20 and change in coal wood. And I think I said in the beginning what that is discounted wood that you can pick up. I prefer to buy it at Home Depot. Lowe's has all their coal wood bundled, and we wanted to pick and choose what width we wanted. We all wanted it 1 inch, but like a 1x2 and a 1x4. My husband started cutting wedges to make the curve look more a little smooth. I love how it turned out, and I know I said I only wanted it to go right behind where the hydrangeas are, but my husband said, I don't know, maybe we should carry it all the way through and have the path come back out on the other side by the redbud. So we might do that, but yet still, I don't think I want to pay full price for wood because we all know how expensive wood is right now. So all in all, this whole project, 15 feet of walkway, cost me around less than $65. I love it. I like how I can walk on here, not get all muddy from the dirt. I didn't want to use gravel. I will come in with a stain. I'm going to water the stain down because had I used pallets, those already look aged. And I like a weathered look. I want to kind of take the edge off the brightness. So instead of taking a stain full strength, I'm going to water it down and then just lightly brush across it. And then I might just take another rag and wipe it up because I just want to take the edge off the brightness. Anyway, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and my dog's actually using it. He's actually walking on it. We didn't know how he would, how he would want to walk on if he'd want to try to navigate the dirt versus the wood, but he's doing really well on it. Anyway, I hope you guys are all having a really great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye.